Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So we're diving into the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine, the EP3246/74, right? It's the one with the Latte Go system.
And we're pitting it against the Breville Oracle, BES980XL. That's practically a professional setup for home use. This should be interesting.
Let's see how they stack up, and which one might be right for you. Okay, the Philips 3200 boasts 5 different coffee types at your fingertips. Espresso, coffee, cappuccino, latte macchiato. Pretty good variety for a push-button machine.
The Breville Oracle is less about presets and more about control. They call it third-wave specialty coffee at home, focusing on precise extraction and milk texturing. It's about crafting the perfect shot.
Right. The Philips has that Latte Go system for milk frothing. They claim it's exceptionally easy to clean. Just 2 parts, no hidden tubes, and 15 seconds under the tap or in the dishwasher. Huge plus for convenience.
The Breville has an automatic microfoam milk texturing with a self-cleaning steam wand, powered by its own dedicated boiler. So you get barista-quality microfoam for latte art, and it cleans itself. Pretty slick.
The Philips has a ceramic grinder with 12 adjustable settings, so you can fine-tune your grind from ultra-fine to coarse depending on your beans.
The Oracle's got an integrated conical burr grinder that automatically grinds, doses, and tamps exactly 22 grams of coffee. That consistent dose is key to repeatable results. It even has adjustable grind control. Wow, that's a big difference in automation.
They both have temperature control, crucial for good espresso. The Philips uses their aroma extract system to balance brewing temperature and aroma extraction. They keep the water between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius.
Breville uses dual stainless steel boilers and digital temperature control, PID, to maintain precise water temperature during extraction. Separate boilers mean you can brew and steam simultaneously.
Philips claims you can make up to 5,000 cups before needing to descale, thanks to their AquaClean filter. That's a long time between descaling.
Descaling is important, definitely. The Breville focuses more on pressure control. It has an overpressure valve, OPV, that limits the maximum pump pressure to prevent bitter flavors. Plus, it has low-pressure pre-infusion. And the Breville has a one-touch Americano feature, delivering a double espresso and then hot water through a separate spout.
Good point. That's a nice touch for Americano lovers. The Philips is definitely more compact, which is great if counter space is limited. It's about 17 inches deep, 10 wide, and 15 high.
The Breville is bigger at nearly 15 inches deep, 16.1 wide, and 17.8 high. But it includes accessories like a stainless steel milk jug, cleaning kit, and water filter.
Okay, so the Philips 3200 is geared towards ease of use, quick cleaning, and convenience with those preset drinks. Plus, the descaling interval is amazing.
And the Breville Oracle seems all about achieving that perfect barista-quality espresso at home, with maximum control over the brewing process, even if it requires a bit more hands-on involvement. It's for the coffee enthusiast who wants to dial everything in.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.